Hello viewers, this is Swati. Welcome to MI Media. Today I will talk about a young environment activist, Arshia Dhingra. She is only 16-year old. This girl gave great message to our society. Under the banner of O.P. Bhalla Foundation, an exhibition was organized at Green Park, New Delhi on the management of increasing waste in the country, where Arshia said that, as you know, every year, around 26,000 tons of plastic waste is produced in India. India is considered the third largest country in terms of plastic waste after the European Union and the US. Let's see the report.
First of all, namaste and thank you all for coming here. And today I would like to talk about one initiative which was taken by me, Waste to Worth. एंड मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैंने कैसे ये चूज़ करा. जब मैं 12 इयर्स की थी तो वो जो गुड़गांव फरीदाबाद वाला रोड आता है तो वहाँ इतना सारा गार्बेज होता है. तो मैंने जब वहाँ जाके उनसे पूछा कि ये कहाँ से कलेक्ट होता है तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये सिर्फ हाउस होल्ड्स का गार्बेज है, सिर्फ घर से आता है ये सब. तो फिर मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं अपने आप से पहले ये पूछूँ कि ये इतना वर्थ है कि हमारा इतना ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन हो रहा है. और फिर मैंने अपने घर से शुरू करा. फिर मैं दूसरों के घर जाके उन्हें बोला, उनका कलेक्ट करा वेस्ट, उन्हें दोनों बिन्स बताए कि वेस्ट सेग्रीगेशन क्या होता है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए ये सब. और पहला चीज़ मैंने करा कि मैंने ये सारा वेस्ट करके एक मैट बनाया जो हम घर पे लगा सकते हैं, जो हम अंडर प्रिविलेज लोगों को दे सकते हैं. दूसरी चीज़, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पैशन है आर्ट के लिए, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना हम उन लोगों को सिखाएं जिनके पास इतने सारे सामान नहीं होता बनाने का, इवन दो वो इतने अच्छे हो, बट दे डू नॉट हैव द रिसोर्सेज टू मेक इट.
Arshia, as we Indians profess goddess Durga as our god, why Indian women need empowerment?
जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी पहले भी बताया था कि इंडिया में ये है कि मेन को ज़्यादा वो दिया जाता है कि वो ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं और वुमेन को इतना एज सच इक्वल नहीं माना जाता. तो मुझे वो सोच ब्रेक करना है और मुझे आगे लेके जाना है कि वुमेन और मेन दोनों इक्वल है और इक्वली हम इम्पैक्ट लेकर आ सकते हैं अपनी सोसाइटी में.
What do you think only men is responsible or government is responsible? We as women are not responsible for this type of situation our Indian women are facing in this time?
So that is what I want to get forward and then represent women, especially youth. I am doing this initiative because I want to take this forward and I want to create an impact in the society. So that's why I am taking this forward. And yeah.
What do you think about domestic violence? Every woman in any form, whether it is a physical or mental, they are facing these type of violence every day. What do you think is this NGO can take step forward to aware them? Like, you have right to speak, you should speak. Family is not above than your self-respect.
Yes.
What do you say?
I think I agree. The purpose of me doing is to help others, right? To help create in the society and to help women especially. And that's what I think, and taking this forward, I would like to change this because as Indians and as women, we should feel safe in our country.
Even when we were informed that a 16-year-old girl was doing such a huge and massive steps, we were surprised. And today I am very inspired by you. I have heard people saying that this is nonsense. ये सोच ले हैं. What is environment?
I think it is one of the most important issues in India.
Ultimately, it will harm the environment.
Environment, because obviously plastic segregation it will take millions of years. So yeah.
While you were expressing your thoughts, I have seen the inner peace, the excitement, the happiness. This shows your passion toward
very passionate.
Your passion toward art, women empowerment, and climate. And this is so amazing and inspiring to see a girl, a child, right? A child like you having such a great initiative towards environment. We have very inspired today watching you, and I'm very thankful to you. And I'll take every possible step to save our environment.